Hey everyone, Jason Catron here.
I'm Katie Talbot.
And we are Vocal Lab Collective. Hey, we got Peaches with us again today. Peaches. Hey, we're going to jump right in. We want you to hit that subscribe button. Follow us on all those social medias that you love.
Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, Patreon.
Yeah, check out the new Vocal Lab program, From the Bedroom to the Stage. Love for you to be a part of that 4-week course. It's fantastic.
It's amazing.
3 coaches, 4 weeks, and loads of fun. What else can we say? And then just go to those little streaming platforms and look for our music as well, because we got stuff out there.
We got stuff.
We got stuff out there.
We're going to have stuff.
Today, we're going to Coke Studio. You ready?
Yes, I'm so ready.
You guys have been loving Coke Studio. It's always something fun, a curveball, a little fresh, a new thing every time we do it. So here we go.
Let's go. She might want down.
Oh. Peaches, you go.
Coke Studio,
Coke
Season
Studio.
10.
Oh, okay. Oh.
Oh.
I always want to turn the lights down.
I know.
It sets such a mood. It sets such a mood.
And just the...
Oh, and the one guy passed away.
The control is just so amazing.
It's insane.
एहसान है उसका जो मुझे मुझसे मिला दे हाँ एहसान है उसका जो मुझे मुझसे मिला दे
That. Wow, I just want to
I know, I just want to zen out. Zen out and zone out, right? So therapeutic. Oh.
This is giving me a little Simon and Garfunkel vibe.
Oh, yeah. I see that.
Yeah.
Oh, wow. His little licks are insane.
Incredible.
Whoa!
Looks like he was doing nothing.
I know. So sick.
He's commanding it. He's visualizing it.
Uh-huh.
It's a little Simon and Garfunkel feel, right?
Yeah, it does have that. Yeah, for sure. Oh, these instruments are so good. Oh, these hand claps.
Oh, that's beautiful. That touches me.
उस
has a very honest tone.
Very.
दिन दुनी दे याद नाल मन अटके बेपरवाह दे नाल मन अटके बेपरवाह दे नाल
Love those hand claps.
Oh my gosh.
I think I've ever seen a hand clap choir. Have you?
No.
That's so cool.
And they're right on, too.
Yeah.
That's a hard thing.
Yeah.
I've done it before in studio. It's
Yeah.
hard to be right on.
खाना कीता कॉल जरूरी जाना नदियों पार चढ़दा खाना कीता कॉल जरूरी जाना मिन्नता करा मैं मल्ला दे नाल मिन्नता करा मैं मल्ला
Wow.
दे नाल
This build is insane.
सोने तेरे नाल मन अटके बेपरवाह दे नाल नैना मोरे तरस गए आजा
Two great voices to have side by side.
The pairing's fantastic.
Yeah. Love that
Yeah.
guitar. Oh, it's so beautiful to me.
Yeah, I forget what that instrument's called, but it's so pretty.
I think it's one of the prettiest instruments on the planet. But I also gravitate towards strings, that string sound. Great jacket. What an incredible studio.
That's the Coke studio.
I know, but can you just imagine, like,
Having the money of
one-
Coke. Have
but
your own
having,
studio.
like, everything being...
Yes.
I'll say it after. Shut up. That's little James Talbot right there.
Sure is.
That'll be him when he's older. Wearing this suave jacket.
It's just like a chorus of life. Ugh.
दिल दिया ये एक बार की हद थी दिल दिया
That guy, he's just so chill.
He is chilling.
He is chilling.
He's just laying that bass down. That's all he's doing.
एतबार की हद थी जान देती ये प्यार की
There's a little bit of rasp and grit. It's
Yeah,
so cool.
yeah. And the other guy's so clean.
Yeah.
खोली रही
Yeah, I love that.
मर गए हम खुली रही
That breath support and the agility is
Yeah, it's insane.
it's insane. We should have some of our students hold some of those notes. And
That's
do
a
that.
great idea.
That would be really good exercise for them.
Really good.
Or all of our students. All of our clients. What you gonna do?
I know the clap choir. I love it.
I want to dance this one. This is a great one.
Wow.
Incredible.
That was great.
Incredible.
I'm reminded every time I watch a Coke Studio of the need to play this music more around the house and the car.
Yeah.
Like, why don't I?
Right.
I know why, because we grew up in a country that has mainly just celebrated American music, British music, and Latin music.
Yeah.
We haven't gone outside those boundaries that much.
No, we haven't.
And it's just unfortunate because this is fantastic.
It's so good. Also,
and it just makes you feel good.
It does. Oh my gosh, I would totally be dancing like crazy.
Yeah.
One thing that I love too that with Coke Studio is having all the musicians in one room.
Yeah.
Playing together. That's a lot of thing. That's something that actually is, I think, a little bit of a lost art. At least in a lot of studios here, everything's in different rooms. And mind you, amazing music is still made, but having everything in one room.
No, yeah, on a lot of TV shows, the band is often hidden.
Yeah.
And here they're highlighted.
Yeah,
and that's cool too, right?
Yeah.
So it's really, really great.
So good, you guys.
Yeah, thanks for these suggestions.
What other Coke Studio should we watch?
Well, we're gonna watch them all by the time we get through with it.
We really will.
But until then,
I'm Katie Talbot.
I'm Jason Catron, and we are
Vocal Lab Collective.